This is Mike Senn, and I want to find out exactly how well this thing works. I've got some silver that I want to clean, and I don't want to do it the rubbing and scrubbing way. So let's try some of this supposedly scientific stuff. Got a couple metal plates here, add some baking soda, boiling water, and supposedly it's supposed to clean it up real nice. I'm going to follow the step-by-step instructions, see how well this stuff does. Now, I've had it for a while, but I can't remember using it. When I say a while, I mean years. So, couple metal plates. Made in Taiwan. Oh, it's got to be good then. Pull out some of the more particularly nastier ones. See how it works. 1902, huh? No, I won't fool with anything that old. All right. Let's see what else we got here. All right. These look a little tarnished. Let's try that out. All right. It says the metal plate's got to be in a non-metallic bucket. Silverware to be cleaned on them, touching the metal. Silver's touching the metal. Teaspoon of baking soda for each quart of water, boiling water I'm going to put in there. And now comes the boiling water. As my cousin just pointed out to me, it could all just dissolve. Now the baking soda is required for starting the electrolytic reaction, which cleans away the tarnish and dirt. Let's see if it works. Holy smokes, look at that.
And this spoon is taking longer, but it's disappearing as we watch it.
Wow. You know, as fast as that happened, I can do all the silver now.